There are often lineups of trucks leading up to the Nordel truck weigh scale in Delta. Today, Metro Vancouver is testing these lines for something else.
We're here today testing emissions from diesel trucks and running this program for the next 3 months.
Metro Vancouver is putting a lot of attention into diesel as its health risks become more apparent.
Reducing diesel emissions is our #1 priority in terms of air quality. In fact, 2/3 of the risk of cancer from air pollution is attributable to diesel emissions.
Metro Vancouver's diesel emission reduction program considers all types of diesel emissions.
There's a large number of trucks. Whether those trucks are actually a problem in our airshed or not is the question that we're trying to answer with this study.
The test gathers information about acceleration, emissions, and the truck's ICBC information.
We send a UV and IR beam of light through the plume of exhaust. They bounce off the mirror on this side and go back. Whatever doesn't come back is interrupted by the pollutants.
EnviroTest Canada, the company doing these tests, also has the contract to run the Air Care program.
This is similar to the technology that's used in an air care station, but in the air care station it's all a very closed environment. In this case, we measure it indirectly because it's on an open environment. We used to be looking at something called PM10, which is a particle of emissions, a soot from that truck that was 10 microns big. Now we're looking for particles 2.5, which go deeper into the lungs.
Such fine particles can have significant health effects, including an increased risk of cancer. The data from these tests will allow Metro Vancouver to design new programs to reduce diesel emissions.
We're not interested in the driver or the vehicle itself, and there's certainly no punitive involvement at all here in this study. We're not going to stop a truck and say, your emissions are horrible. We're going to mark that as a data point where we've seen trucks that pollute this much, or we've seen trucks that pollute this much. And then when you mass those tens of thousands of data points together, Metro Vancouver will analyze them and say, we have a problem or we don't have a problem.